Hey there and welcome back. If you caught one of our last videos on the 7 best cash advance apps, you already know EarnIn made the list. But what makes it stand out? In this video, we're going to take a closer look at how does it work, what are its unique features, and is it really as safe and affordable as people say? Plus, we're going to break down the pros and the cons to help you decide if EarnIn deserves a spot in your financial toolkit. Let's get started. Sean here with the Modest Wallet, making money simple and accessible for everyone. Not subscribed yet? It's totally free and it really helps us reach more people just like you. So on to what we're here for, learning more about EarnIn. This app is designed to help you access your hard-earned money before payday, offering advances up to $750 per pay period without hidden fees. With features like Balance Shield to prevent overdrafts and EarnIn Express for quicker access to your paycheck, this app focuses on convenience and transparency, which we absolutely love here at the Modest Wallet. Whether it's saving money with their Tip Yourself feature or cashing out with their lightning speed option, EarnIn aims to give users very much so financial flexibility. So how does this all work? EarnIn works by giving users access to money they've already earned but haven't yet been paid. You'll link your bank account and upload your work schedule or enable GPS tracking if you're paid hourly. EarnIn tracks your earnings and allows advances up to $750 per pay period. What sets it apart though is the lack of mandatory fees, which most other apps have, so users can tip what they think the service is worth. Additional features include Balance Shield, which prevents overdrafts, and the Lightning Speed option, which deposits funds instantly for a small fee, which we can get into shortly. To use the EarnIn app, you'll need a consistent paycheck, a checking account, and just a smartphone. Using and signing up for the EarnIn app is a very simple process. First, you're going to download the app. You're going to visit your smartphone's app store, whether you have Android or iOS, to download the free EarnIn app. When the download is complete, you can create an account and wait for EarnIn to verify all your information. Next, you'll connect your bank account to your EarnIn app, and then you're going to provide information about your current employment. You'll also need to provide information about your earnings. You can provide documentation by doing one of the following things. First, submitting a copy of your electronic timesheet. There's also the option of signing up your work email address. The third option is to use the EarnIn's automatic earnings feature to add your earnings automatically. And then finally, you're going to request a withdrawal. Once your account is set up, you can request your funds from EarnIn. If you sign up for the lightning speed, you can receive your money instantly, though you'll have to pay fees of 99 cents up to $4.99, depending on the transfer amount. If you want to avoid fees, though, altogether, you can opt for the standard fund transfer, which takes 1 to maybe 2 business days. One thing EarnIn does is that they ensure user safety with encrypted transactions and strict privacy policies. It uses bank-grade security to monitor your bank activity, which helps to protect against any unauthorized access. Users must provide employment details and link their bank accounts. But EarnIn's reputation for transparent and safe practices has helped it maintain high trust among its community, so it's definitely something we like here at the Modest Wallet. EarnIn is free to use with no subscription or upfront fees. Instead, this is where the kicker, what separates it, the app relies on an optional tip model where users can pay what they feel is fair for the service. So, if you're thinking what I'm thinking, but instant transfers are available for a small fee starting at 99 cents, and we mentioned up to $4.99, making EarnIn cost effective for those who need occasional cash advances without recurring costs. All right, so let's talk about some pros and cons. First, the pros. There's no subscription fees or mandatory charges. It operates on that tip model that we talked about. Secondly, they allow advances up to $750 per pay period with no credit checks or hidden fees. Third pro is that the free credit monitoring. EarnIn offers free credit monitoring, which is pretty nice, especially if that's something you are looking for. And fourth, they have additional tools and resources. EarnIn provides financial help programs and a financial calendar to help users track their expenses and their earnings. When it comes to the cons, first, it requires consistent work hours and direct deposit for eligibility. EarnIn's limits are based on regular income tracked through your bank account. You may not be eligible for pay advance services if you don't receive consistent income or make less than $320 every pay period. Second con, daily advance limits can be restrictive. They're capped at $100 to $150 per day. While this could be seen as a positive, EarnIn caps daily withdrawals, which is designed to keep you focused on budgeting daily expenses more than if you received all of the funds all at the same time like you do with payday loans. Third, not all banks are compatible, so you must bank with an approved bank on EarnIn's platform. All funds must be deposited and paid back directly from your bank account. That wraps up the pros and cons. EarnIn is perfect for individuals with predictable pay schedules who want access to earned wages without the burden of fees or interest. Its pay what you can tip model makes it highly affordable for most users. Reviews frequently highlight its ease of use and that transparency that we mentioned, but some users note frustration with eligibility requirements like consistent work hours. Now, despite these limitations, EarnIn remains one of the most popular and user-friendly cash advance apps out there. Now, one frequently asked question we get about an app like EarnIn is, does EarnIn hurt your credit score? EarnIn does not require you to submit to a credit check, nor does it report payment activity to any of the 3 credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Your credit score likely won't be impacted by using EarnIn. But however, this may be a downside if you're looking to build your credit. If this is the case, a credit builder loan or another form of credit may be a better option for you and your financial goals. So let me know what your thoughts are on EarnIn in the comments below. Do you like it? Would you recommend it to others? As I mentioned already, if you want to compare EarnIn to many of the other cash advance apps, we have a video we did a few weeks ago on our channel, and I'll include that link in the description below. Also, just kind of show you right here what that looks like. We're also continuing to review those apps, specifically like the one we did for EarnIn in this video. So hopefully we can help you figure out which one might be the best for you. So I hope that is helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate each and every one of you. Smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video.